Hey everyone, it's Rachel Clement here, and I am going to show you how to do this modern chrome manicure. So I'm going to show you how to do it on my thumbnail. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure that your nail is completely clean. And then what I actually used were our nail chains. You can use our styling strips or any piece of tape that might work to just give a good stick to the nail. And then I'm going to use Lovey Dovey, our white polish, and polish the area on the one half of the nail. And I can polish right up to that strip. So then when I pull off the strip, it will give a nice, precise, straight line. So you can just peel that right off. If you need to make any adjustments with your cuticle pusher or a dotting tool, you can do that just to get it nice and straight. And then for the second coat, I actually just didn't use a strip at all. I just used my brush and I just go up to that. Now that you can kind of see that straight line, you don't necessarily have to go right up to the center. You can just kind of fill it in as close as you can get and finish that off with a second coat. You can touch up any imperfections before you put it under the lamp, and when you're good to go, you can cure it. So then once that's cured, you can use your good old household tape, and you can just take off a strip and stick it right onto the line between the two colors. And then the second strip, I kind of went over a little bit onto the white, and then I put a third strip underneath. I used just a little piece of paper towel to stick it really well down, just so that the nail didn't get any grease on it. Otherwise the chrome wouldn't stick. So then, as you can see, all I did was rubbed the chrome on that area, pulled off the tape, and you've got this awesome little straight line of copper chrome on your manicure. Then I just topped it with Clearly Frisky to seal that chrome in, and then you can cure that under the lamp. Such a super simple way to add that eye-catching aspect to your manicure. You can do it with any color and any chrome. I hope this inspires you to try it yourself. Have a great day.